This video will show you how to add a customer on our loyalty program. First, let's see how to add a customer on our system. Click point of sale, loyalty functions. And what we need from customer is their name, surname, and cell phone number. Once you got those information, click add. Punch in the cell phone number as a account number. For example, okay, let's put in a name. And as birthday, you can just choose any day which is past. Punch in the telephone number, which you just punch in 1111. Cell phone number. Once you've done that, just click accept. You have added the customer on our loyalty program. So let's see how they're going to earn the points. Close here. Click point of sale, sales, cash sales. Click loyalty or press keyboard F9. On this screen, you can punch in the customer's cell phone number. Click accept. So here we'll show the customer loyalty numbers and the name. Sometimes when you just add the customer on the loyalty system, you won't see them same time. So what you need to do is click this arrow key and search from this screen to find them out. Press enter, press enter. So what we need to do now is we just ring up those items what customer they want. For example, we just ring up the cotton road wallet. As you see, this wallet is 116 rand. So let's cash up as normal. Once we've done that, let's see how much customer point they have now. Press F9 or click loyalty, punch in the number. Click accept. As you can see, there's available points is 58 rand, value 58 rand. That means customer they can spend this 58 rand to buy anything in the shop. Let's see how we can spend the point. For example, customer buying something for 100. Press enter. Press F1, press F5 to coupon, choose first option V points. Here you can punch in, for example, if you punch in 90, you will see they give you the warning, insufficient loyalty points available. So we have 58 rand, let's try punching 58. So as you can see here, the remaining 42 rand. Customer just need to pay 42 rand by cash or card. For example, by cash, press cash, enter. Now this transaction we have done. Let's see how much customer points left after transaction. Loyalty, punch in number. As you can see, the customer has no points left because he spent his all points.